Oven won't heat, easy fix. Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you an easy fix for your oven that won't heat. Has this happened to you before? You set your dial to the temperature that you want your oven to reach. You wait a few minutes and you don't see that heating element glowing. Open the door, you don't feel any heat. Okay, so let's give it 10 minutes just to make sure. 10 minutes goes by, we open it up, and that element's still not glowing. No heat in here whatsoever, nothing. I could touch this element, it's ice cold. Please do not touch the element if you're doing this yourself. Besides getting burned, if there's a break in the element, you can get a shock. Close the door, go topside, check this knob, make sure this is working. The knob's working. Now the problem can be in your control up here, but I've changed this element 2 times in the last 20 years. I removed the bottom drawer so I could get to the plug that's underneath behind the stove. Once I remove the plug, I'll be moving the stove forward to see what we have back there. Changing the heating element is easy. You have these 2 screws right in the back of the oven, this one on the left and the other one on the right, and then it pulls away. Then it's connected to the wires in the back. I know I was getting power to the stove because the lights came on, but when I used these probes, it wasn't reading any power at all, so I removed the cover. This is dangerous. I don't advise anyone doing this. I'm going to check these prongs right now to see what kind of voltage we have. Set the meter to AC voltage. Okay, this leg's reading 120. This leg's reading 120. Together 240. Okay, we're good. So power supply is okay. I'm gonna put this cover back on and go to the stove and see what we have.
Turn the light over here.
To get to the heating element to disconnect it, it's behind this panel right here on the bottom. Once I remove this panel, I'll be able to disconnect the heating element. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. This wire melted right on the fitting for the heating element. What I'm going to do next is to cut this wire back and splice another piece of wire in with a new fitting. Once I have this done, I'll check that heating element. To check the heating element, you need a multimeter. Set the multimeter to ohms. Turn it on. And check the meter before you check the element, just make sure it's working correctly. Okay, it's showing resistance, the meter's working. Now, we should get a resistance reading on this element. Nothing, it's showing infinity. Let's try it again, still nothing. This meter's shot. If this meter was any good, when you touch the ends, you would get a reading. The current would be able to pass through. But in this case, this element is shot. Let's get back to the stove and get this working. We have the cover for the outlet back on, the wires repaired, the elements connected, and all's working fine. That's a wrap. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, it does help. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z icon. And not to miss my new videos as I upload them, be sure to ring that bell. Until next time, stay safe.